In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cross-play Grounded between PS5 and Xbox. Firstly, start the game on your Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch or PC. Look at the top right corner of the main menu. Your Xbox gamer tag, PlayStation Online ID or Nintendo nickname will be shown under the game's version. From the main menu, go to Options. Scroll down until you enable Crossplay. Now turn the Enable Crossplay switch to On. A screen will pop up explaining how Crossplay works in Grounded. Choose Continue to proceed. Now you'll be taken to a page with further instructions. On your device, phone or browser, go to the link provided. Enter the code displayed on screen, then sign in with your Microsoft or Xbox account. Once successfully linked, a confirmation screen will appear. You'll now see your Xbox gamer tag in the top right of the main menu. Invite friends across Xbox, PC, PlayStation and Nintendo Switch, and for the best experience, we recommend that someone other than the Nintendo player hosts the game. And done, you've now enabled crossplay in Grounded.